Hi, I'm Chef Renee from Julie's Place. Welcome to another episode of Food Science. Today we will be making a fizzy lemonade. The equipment you'll need for this experiment are some measuring spoons, a lemon juicer, a glass of your choice, and a spoon for stirring. And the ingredients you will need are some fresh lemons, sugar, cold water, and some bicarb soda. Don't forget before you get started to wash your hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds and dry well. The first thing we're going to start with is adding 500 ml of cold water into the cup of your choice. The next thing we're going to add for a little bit of sweetness is some castor sugar. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, nice and level, and I'm going to give that a mix to dissolve the sugar. Next, we're going to add that sourness of our lemons. So grab your lemon juicer, and I'm going to pop 2 fresh lemons into our glass. And the last ingredient we're going to add is the bicarb soda. When the bicarb soda mixes with the lemon juice, it creates a chemical reaction. This produces carbon dioxide bubbles and gives us the fizziness in our fizzy drink. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of the bicarb. Give it a good stir and watch those bubbles rise. And there you have your fizzy lemonade. Enjoy your fizzy lemonade, and we'll see you next time for another food science experiment.